Okay, so as I was walking on a very dark street, I saw a friend of mine staring creepily at me. I was afraid and kept walking, and my friend didn't even approach to me. The next day, when I was walking on the street again, my friend asked me, "Who was that old lady walking with you yesterday?"
Oh god, that's so creepy. What happened next?
What next? That's it.
Uh, like, what happened next?
This is not an
Like,
original. I read it on Google.
oh,
Reason.
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the
I just
reason?
explained.
Welcome
back
to
the
Blah Podcast, episode 4.
Presenting to you segment 1.
So, how was your week?
It was excellent. What about you?
It was great, but I went for shopping and the shop was closed. But it was great. I got great marks.
Just because of marks, your week is great.
Yes.
Yeah.
So remember, like exact 2 weeks ago, we started this podcast.
Yeah, the very first episode being that girl.
Yeah.
At first, I was like very uncertain if this is going to be something regular or it's just going to be
Like one time, like
one time thing. But at least we have reached like episode 4.
yes. I
Yeah.
hope we will reach. This.
And
I don't know.
according to me, the views have been pretty good.
Yeah, like first
Like
one was
I guess the most
That
good
Girl.
one is the
That
first
Girl.
one podcast. It got like 113 views.
yeah, grateful.
Yeah, like I don't even know that many people.
Yeah, who
Of
knows?
course.
Who-
No, there are many people who must be knowing.
hundreds of yeah, like we know hundreds of people, but we don't meet them.
Yeah, but I don't know. Do you think all those 113 people like listened it till the end?
I hope so. I don't
I hope.
know.
I mean, it doesn't matter because I really enjoy doing this.
Yeah, like we enjoy it. That's it, and that's what
Yeah.
we do for. Like,
And anybody who is watching till the end or even watching, liking, who is liking this podcast, it means a lot to us.
like a lot. You won't understand it.
Yeah. So just keep doing it.
Yes.
And then the second most viewed one was the
episode
last
third,
one.
Episode third.
What was it about?
Netflix and chill
Yeah,
and studies.
study. That all. That was a good one.
Yeah.
Actually, what was your favorite?
My favorite. You know, actually, we would have covered much on Netflix, but it was good. Actually, I like the third one.
I honestly like the second one, but it got the least views. I don't know.
Yeah, I forgot. I thought
mean-
you were saying on 1 or 3.
Oh.
Like
No,
third
like
one
the-
was good.
For me, second one was best, but I don't know why it got the least.
Yeah, I don't know, like the least views, and I was like,
Because I had prepared only for that one, and
Yeah.
other all were impromptu.
like
Also, my very first video, Peppa
Oh,
Pig.
God.
Did you watch it?
of course,
Did you like it?
yeah,
Like I thought it was hilarious. It got like 95
it
views.
was good actually.
Peppa Pig is a really funny cartoon.
I don't know why children watch it. Like
I mean, I don't think. I just don't know. It's like so funny. That's why. Also, I added to the ending and the beginning of our podcast.
yeah, Peppa. I don't know.
Yeah. Also,
the
there's no
music.
copyright.
Yeah. You know, in childhood there was no Peppa Pig, like R. Like,
Yeah.
It came just now, like
Not just now, but
yeah.
I guess
people
when I was
started
in
watching it just now, like
third and fourth.
Yeah, I
Actually,
don't
Peppa
remember.
Pig has been like more famous due to the edits.
Yeah, I guess.
During the
Yeah.
lockdown, like many people
Had-
uploaded, like I was bored, so I edited a video of Peppa Pig.
that was your
That was my
yeah.
what is that called?
Uh,
Caption?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Title.
Title.
Oh my
yeah.
god, that is so easy.
It's like thumbnail. It's like no.
No. Yeah, so when we were little, what was your most favorite cartoon?
My most favorite, like I don't know, most favorite. I used to watch Shin-chan a lot because that was like the common, like everyone
Yeah.
watched it.
Even now, some of my friends watch it.
Yeah, I am in some of those.
You watch Shin-chan?
Yeah, I watch it.
Also, like, there are no new episodes, right? So,
Yeah.
what are you going to do?
But I watch it. Like,
Anyway, so
what was your most favorite?
Shin-chan was like OG cartoon. But I also liked, I have to think, I don't know why. It's been like,
Phineas and Ferb.
I liked that cartoon, but I was like obsessed with it.
Yeah. Like,
I liked Horrid Henry.
oh yeah.
Horrid Henry.
I loved that cartoon.
It is on Netflix.
Yes?
It is on Netflix.
I didn't know that.
Oh,
Oh,
bummer.
Peppa Pig is on Netflix. I know that.
Yeah?
Oh, you didn't know?
I didn't know that.
Peppa Pig is on Netflix.
Okay. I'll just watch it later.
Yeah. I used to like Doraemon too. Like,
Doraemon. Oh my god.
Doraemon.
Doraemon. That used to be on Disney Channel forever, the whole day.
Of course. Like, Doraemon.
Who was your favorite character in Doraemon?
I didn't like Nobita.
Yeah, even like me too. He was just so stupid.
I guess I like Dorami.
It's Doremi, na?
Doremi, yeah.
Doremi. I used to like those mini Doraemons. They used to trouble everyone.
Trouble, like,
That was so funny. So that and that used to be whole day on
And,
Disney, and afterwards at night there used to be shows.
oh god, yes.
Best of Luck
Best of
Nikki.
Luck
Oh my
Nikki.
god, that is so, yeah, it
It's
brings
like
me back.
nostalgic.
Yeah.
It's really good show. And what was Shake It Off?
Shake It Up.
Okay, whatever.
Shake It Off. I didn't watch
Shake
it
It Off
that much.
is a Taylor Swift song, right?
I don't know. Then there was OHSC. Saying that OHSC.
Oh, I just see, yeah. The cartoon in which she babysits, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. OHSC, okay.
And then my most favorite was Sweet Life of Karan and Kabir.
Oh god. No, I like Best of Luck Nikki more.
Okay. Cartoons, yeah, that's it, I guess.
Yeah. Maybe.
There are many
Yeah,
underrated
actually.
cartoons. I have nothing else to say on this.
Yeah.
Because if we just go on about all the cartoons there,
It will be like a whole
it will be like a whole half an hour only about the cartoons.
cartoons. Yeah, so that's it for segment 1.
Yeah. That's it for segment 1. Comment down below if you want another podcast on cartoons.
And comment your favorite cartoons. And
Okay, so bye for segment 1.
yep.
Bye bye.
Time for segment 2.
What is beautiful? Being beautiful is being more than pretty. Dictionaries carry the definition of beauty as pleasing not to the eyes but the mind and senses aesthetically. Although many people believe in beauty standards, which is a variable standard of what means to be attractive. So, me and my co host are going to discuss what is beauty and are the beauty standards fake.
Finally, some serious topic. I'm excited.
Yes, like we went from cartoons in segment 1 to this serious topic.
Yes.
So, like, what are your views on the introduction as well as the topic?
The introduction was smooth as always.
Yeah.
So the topic, personally for me, beauty standards are something I don't believe in, but some people agree with it or sort of just believe in it,
Yeah,
which I think it's really
and
not good.
and some people are also like harsh on themselves to fit into those beauty standards. Like,
Yeah.
people are busy searching for the identity to get into the category of the
Category of-
beauty standards. And for me, because one person trying to get into a category is changing, is hiding his own identity and trying to get a fake identity. So according to me, the whole thing is fake. Like
Yeah,
beauty
like
standards.
fake beauty standards.
Beauty is what comes from within.
Yeah, and you know the sentence, everyone is beautiful, right?
Yeah. So like, see, beauty standard for me, if I have to place a beauty standard, the best beauty standard for one would be that you should be kind. The
Yes.
inner things should be the beauty standard.
Yeah,
And
don't
not
be
the outward
harsh on
appearance.
people, like, who you think are ugly. Like,
Yeah, I mean, no one is ugly.
seriously. Like,
It's just different people. Like, what if the whole world was like same looking?
yeah, and you judge other people who are ugly. Someone is judging you that you are ugly. So,
Yeah, so I mean,
don't.
also like if someone is judging you, just brush it off.
Yeah, don't just, get in the depth with it and judge those people who judge
Yeah.
you.
Also, like sometimes like we ourselves are judging us.
Yeah. We are.
Like many people.
Yeah.
So I would just like to say ki it's nothing like that.
Yeah.
One should be confident about their
Their
own
selves,
body.
yeah.
Like you are born and you like are like, I think the average of like death must be like, let's say it's 50 years or even like 20 years. Your body, there's only one body for you and it's working
Yes.
so hard for you. Just imagine you are, and then your mind is judging the body.
And the body be like,
What?
why? Like, why?
I mean, just love yourself. That's it.
That's the.
I think since the lockdown, the one of the most famous thing is self-care and self-love.
Yes, like.
Like people being on their own, they have realized that the most important thing is ourselves.
Yeah.
So why to listen to other people's opinion, right?
Don't listen, like, really. Some people are like really judgy that they judge themselves and they tell others that, "Oh, you look fat."
Yeah, I
It's like,
mean,
it's
it's a body. Why would you want to?
Don't just specifically name it or title it with something.
Also, if I am fat, it's okay.
Yeah, like,
It's not a bad thing. It's just description. Yeah,
like
but
everyone is different, right?
everyone is different, of course. They're different. Everything is different. So why not
Yeah.
us? Like,
Why not bodies and why not skin colors and everything? So
yeah,
it's
like
normal.
the different types of like beauty standards are like you should be skinny.
Yeah.
Then if you're a guy, like you should have a lot of muscles and
Then
yeah. I mean,
you should be fair and
yeah.
you shouldn't be, I don't know, like many are there, like
Yeah.
fat people. Fat people are like, other people are saying to them you should be skinny or something. Skinny
And
people to
yeah.
them, you should be fat. I'm just like, shut up.
Yeah, so like whatever you do, someone in the world is going to hate on you. That
Yeah,
doesn't mean
so-
you will act on it. You just
So
act on
just-
the things you want it for yourself.
Leave
Yeah.
what others think. And
Also, like from the generations, the beauty standards keep on changing.
yes, like generation wise, yeah.
Like
So-
for now, it is like being really skinny and all things. But like earlier, like much earlier, it was about they like being healthy.
and like, because it was all,
Yeah, I mean it's just those are just like the trends.
yeah, like
Yeah.
next year it will be like you have to be fat to be in a movie or something. Then you'll be like, like
Yeah.
what was it?
I mean,
So-
it's just like fashion.
And you don't need to change yourself for those trends.
yeah,
like
I mean, many of the people like those eagle trends. So like or like let's say gothic trends.
Yeah.
Everyone is like wearing black and
Black and-
everything.
yeah.
They're just changing. Now tell me, during our parents' time, those like bell-bottom jeans were a great thing. Then when we were like younger, it was not there. It was like skinny
Yeah.
jeans, high-waisted jeans. But again, those came in trend, and everything keeps on fluctuating. So you can't really change yourself to fit into the group.
Yeah.
I mean,
And
you can try, but
if you want to, like,
yeah, but because it is fashion, you can change it. Why to why to change your own body
yeah,
for some trend? Also, like, all these, where do you think it comes from into the mentality that one should be like this to be beautiful?
that's a really
That's a really
good question.
Yeah.
Nowadays, like, we are watching so many movies, or say web series, or say ads.
Yeah, that's a good.
It comes from
Good point.
them, like,
It's. I think that's the most biggest source.
yes. And I don't know why anyone, like, any freaking one, does not just oppose them. Like, they do not, like, they are like, yeah, it's like, I
No,
don't-
there are many people who do, but it should be much more bolder. The ads should be banned,
Yeah.
Fair and Lovely.
yeah, like,
Yeah, why Fair and Lovely? I mean, Fair and Lovely it is there, but why to show that a girl was dark and then she uses your cream and then she becomes fair?
yeah, like, there's no
I mean,
point.
they changed their name and now it's Glow and Lovely, I guess, right?
Yeah, it's
But
Glow and
it's the
Lovely.
same thing, dude. It's
Yeah,
Glow
but-
and Lovely, Fair and Lovely. They write it down. I don't understand the point.
It's good that they changed the name, but the ads are freaking same.
Yeah,
Like,
and I don't understand
the
why
balance
the
changes from-
actress who promotes the brand,
Yeah.
why is she even,
Fair.
getting into the getting into the ad?
Yeah, like,
I mean, if someone tells you have to promote a product which will make other people fair, would
yeah,
you?
and no, of course.
Of course
no.
not. So I
Like-
think everyone, the people who are kind of influencers should use their position wisely.
Yeah, like, they should oppose any, like, racist thing more boldly, and like, those ads are wrong.
Yeah.
Like, what does your marriage have to do with fair skin?
Those ads which come after 1 o'clock or something on TV,
Naphtol.
Naptol type ads.
Naphtol.
They show that मेरी height छोटी थी, then I drank this powder, now I am tall, and now
Heightened.
everyone talks with me in the office.
Yeah, I didn't have
For someone to
body, I
talk
was
to you,
skinny.
you should be good enough. Your mind should be good enough, right?
Yes. So, don't judge anyone, or don't. If you are getting judged, don't
Yeah,
pay
don't be
attention.
affected.
Yeah, like,
What?
that's it.
Do you have any, let's say, incident or something happened with you which is kind of
I don't know if it's like
Beauty
beauty standards or something, but like, one relative came. I don't know even who that relative
you
was.
sure that relative must not be listening to the podcast?
No.
Okay.
She was an grandmother, like, very old.
Aji.
Yeah, actually.
Okay. So that's safe. Okay. Anyway, so continue.
And she doesn't even, like, I don't even know her. So
Okay.
she just came, and first of all, I don't know her. That's the point, right? She comes and she's like, it's a naak chapta hai. It's
Yeah.
like, yeah, I know. She's like, it's a lagna nahi hona hai.
What did she say that?
Yeah. And I was like, I am like 13, 14 years old.
What is wrong? I mean, I just don't know how to express myself.
Like, okay, first she
You should have been like, that's not even my goal.
yeah, but I was like, no, she's old. If I argue with her, my mom will kill me. So it's like, leave just. So I left it there. And it's like, I don't know. I was going to laugh, but I was like, calm down.
That is such a lame thing to say.
Yeah, it was like, not like, it really did not affected me. Like,
Yeah, because we know it's Gen Z.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like it would affect us if someone would say that you're not going to get a good job. And it's like, no, what are
Oh
you
my God.
saying? But who cares about marriage anyways?
Yeah, who cares?
It's just about how successful you are in life.
Yeah.
According to me.
According, I guess nowadays everyone. Nowadays,
Yeah.
like everyone. So you had any incidents like,
I don't think so.
yeah, good.
Or like even if someone had said something I
Like,
must have not understood, or I would have been like, I don't know.
leave. You're like, I don't know.
Because I don't really care what anyone says about me.
Yeah.
When it's
that's-
about my outer self, like my
Yeah,
appearance, I
yeah.
don't care. Say anything. Yeah, that's it.
So
Yeah,
Just-
so be like us.
yeah, just leave it there. And if it's on a bigger note, like it's racism or like something really harsh that someone said to you, you should oppose, kind of. You should say, don't say like that, or
Yeah, you should
You
stand up against
yeah,
that person.
stand up against that person, stand up for yourself.
But the point of saying is that these all beauty standards, the outward which we are hearing about it. Now tell me, okay, imagine abhi like there is one beauty standard. So many people are doing surgeries for that.
Yeah. Okay.
If there is, okay. Now the trend will change. Then what are you going to do?
You'll be like, she's so old, like old trendy person. Why is she doing like that? It's like,
I mean, I'm not against all the surgeries people do, but if it is just to fit into a
yeah,
beauty standard, then don't do it.
like
If you are
really.
liking it, do it.
Yeah, if you feel yourself you have to do it, you can do it.
Yeah, you have only one life.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want, but not to be good in someone else's eyes,
Yeah.
but to be good in your own reflection.
Your own, yeah.
Yup. That's it. Do you want to add something? Any question?
Any question?
Any question? So I have this like really good thing
Okay.
on social media. Okay. I've told you earlier, but for the people who don't know, that is the podcast.
yeah.
So I would just like to say that once on Instagram I was seeing just the reels, and there was one
yeah,
girl
yeah.
who was kind of fat. I mean, I don't know if that's right to say, but so that she was dancing. She was really good dancer.
Yeah.
Yeah, but in the comments there were like very mean and these rubbish comments telling her, oh, zameen toot jayegi, the floor is going to break,
I hate.
what are you doing, go eat less and something. I was like, what is this?
Yeah. I know we reported comments and we
I replied to those comments
replied
in
yeah.
using my knowledge, like the words I use.
Yeah.
Because so I was
That's
just
all
like,
we
I
can
just
do,
told
like-
those people to like mind their own business,
Yeah.
and please don't do that because it may have like affected her.
Yeah.
But even some people reading those comments thinking, oh, even I am fat, so I
So,
shouldn't
yeah,
upload any
upload
video.
and,
That breaks
or-
the confidence of
Yeah.
one.
so don't just, if you have mean things to say, keep it to yourself.
Yeah.
That's not like, it's not what you say.
Yeah. Honestly, don't even keep it to yourself. Just throw it out of your head.
Yeah, like how do you get those mean comments? Kind of like,
Yeah, again, low. Your voice is too low.
okay.
Yeah, again.
What?
Just bleed the ears. Bleed the ears.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that mean comment thing. Then again on the celebrities posts too.
Oh, true.
There are many trollers
Yeah.
and saying anything about them. It's just so ill.
Yeah,
The people
like,
are so ill-minded. Like okay, so on Kylie Jenner, her comment section is almost like filled with comments. There are many good like comments,
Yeah.
but still there are few comments telling, oh, you did plastic surgery, this and that.
it's
She
her,
li- it's her life. She wanted to
Yeah.
do it.
and
How does it even matter to you?
yes, like, what do you care? Like,
Exactly. If she would have looked if she would have not done the surgeries, her old photos, if you have seen,
yeah,
even the pictures, on those pictures there are mean comments like, oh, look at this fatto. I mean, what do you want a person to do,
what is
yaar?
up with you? Like, what do you
Of course,
even
it's
want? And you know what? People say things, just leave it.
I
Just
know.
don't care. And if you care, and if you like really annoyed or really frustrated, just stand up for yourself and oppose them, or just
Yeah. Also, the things you see in movies, the beauty standards,
yes.
the all the things in movies are fake, and so are the beauty standards shown in it.
Yeah, so everything is fake.
I mean, it's their job to do it. It's the actress's job to stay fit and do all the things.
Yeah, because they like it.
Yeah, they like it, and maybe that's what. Okay, so also this thing I've seen, there was a girl again who was kind of fat. I don't know why it gets to all the fat people. I mean, that's just so mean for people to say something like that. So she was on her like reel section. I heard it. She was saying ki how she got so many mean comments and all. So the
Yeah.
people, there was still few people saying ki, oh, you deserve those cause you're fat.
Oh my
And then
god, like, really?
someone was like, you shouldn't say that, reply to that comment, and the person was like, you know what, she's promoting unhealthy lifestyle. How? I mean, why would she promote something like that? It's a body.
Yeah, like, stop these things, stop those trolls and everything.
And there is a difference between healthy, unhealthy. Doesn't mean if you're fat you are unhealthy.
Yes, like,
Healthy is something that means like you are in a good state physically and mentally.
yeah.
So if the person is physically well and mentally well, then he
They are
or
healthy.
she is healthy. But if the person, if you're trying to say that gym and all, it's called fit.
Yes.
It's called athletic.
It's not.
Not everyone has interest in that.
Yeah, like, it's not like fat people are not healthy or something, or it's just the people who cause the chaos and they leave. They
I know,
just
and
leave.
I swear. And then those are the only people who are talentless, I would say.
Yeah.
Like that girl, whatever she is, at least she is good at dancing, unlike you.
Yeah, like, you are only good at, not also good at commenting stuff. Like, you just troll some people and that's what you do. So
There was a MTV show, you remember, Troll Police? I
Yeah,
loved it.
I loved that show, dude.
I just loved seeing the look on the troller.
Face,
Yeah, they
like,
was like,
it's
just-
so good.
I mean, so the conclusion over here is ki the only beauty standard is your inside,
beauty.
your inner beauty, which is having good thoughts, being positive,
Being kind.
being
and-
kind, not judging people.
Yeah.
And then other is that never judge someone, never, cause you don't know what's up with a person.
Yes.
And the third thing, that if someone is judging you, stand up against it. And if you can't, just forget about it. Don't be harsh on yourself.
Yeah, just leave that person or that comment is there.
Yeah. And stay healthy.
Yeah, stay healthy.
Healthy in the sense mentally too.
Those negative things. So,
Just kind of try to forget about it.
and don't try to fit in something that you don't want to.
Yeah, just do what you believe in. That's it.
Yes, that's the conclusion.
Conclusion. So, I really love today's discussion.
Yeah, this was a most
Yeah.
interesting topic we have had. Like,
It was most interesting because it is true.
yes, because
it's just so disturbing to even think about the comments and all the beauty
Yes,
standards. So I guess that's it for this episode of podcast. You will see whatever the title is
Yes.
in the title. No,
Uh,
wait.
uh, uh,
Yeah, the title.
yeah. What is going on with you?
So, comment down below. If you have any experience, share it with other people.
Share and
Also, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to.
yes.
I mean, just do it now.
Like what's harm in it? Like
Okay, bye. See you next week. And don't spread hate, spread pixie dust. Bye.
bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I wish you a nice week. THANKYEWW